How to fix Telegram freezing during use. Frustrated with Telegram freezing? Let's fix that fast. First, close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a fresh start clears the freeze. If that does not work, clear Telegram's cache. For this, go to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage User, then tap on Clear Cache. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store or Play Store and check on it. Also, check your device storage. Low space can cause apps to freeze, so free up some room if needed. Restart your phone if freezing continues. It often solves many glitches. Disable any battery saving modes that might restrict Telegram's background activity. Have you had Telegram freeze unexpectedly? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.